Hello and welcome to the class everyone. So today we will check about validate network configuration. In validating the network configuration, multiple information will come. So here we are going to cover about gathering network interface information. If you want to gather the network interface information, then there are some command by which we are able to check it. So the command is IP link show. The IP link show command lists all available network interface on your system, and in the following example, we are able to see the server or the machine has three network interface. LO, which is the loopback address and device that is connected to the server itself, and two Ethernet interface, which is ENS 160 and ENS 224. So this will be the information gathering part about the interface related information. In the same way, there are multiple commands to check the information. Display IP address. Second command is display IP address. If you want to gather the information related to IP, so there is a command IP address show. IP addr address show. Then the name of interface, just like we have ENS 160. So use the IP command, IP address show command to view the device and address information. So a single network interface can have multiple IPv4 or IPv6 addresses. If you see this place, 1000. So in this location, it's showing an active interface is up. In the same way, there is another information which is the link ether, this this part. So this line string specifies the hardware MAC address and the device. Then when you check for the inet, which is mentioned here, inet and some values are given there. So this string show an IPv4 address, its network prefix length and scope. Then the fourth one, which is the inet 6. The inet6 string show an IPv6 address, its network prefix length and scope. This address is global scope and is normally used. So these are some information which we are able to see with the help of this command. Then performance statistics. There is a command which we can check here, and the command is uh, display performance statistics. Display performance statistics. This command means for getting the display performance statistics. What the command we are going to use? We will use IP-S link show and the name of the interface. IP-S link show ENS 160. So with the help of this command, you will get the information. It's showing you the statistics about the network performance. Counter for each network interface can identify the presence of network issue, And the counter record statistics such as for the number of received and transmitted packet error and drop the packet. We are able to see from this command. So that's all for today, guys. We will meet again in next video. Thank you.